All right, so this one I got to the house and it's not even set up, the thermostat. So I just pulled it out the wall and I brought it out because they don't have a paperwork for this. So we gotta go on Google and find this paper and see how to set it up. 0D 2009. What's right there? Look, manual. That's what we need. And we just gotta go to the numbers right there. There we go. All right. So let me reset everything. So that's how you reset it. You hold both of these down. I think. Yeah. All right. Okay. Let's see. 125.0 next. Fahrenheit. They wanted Fahrenheit. So we got that. Push next. Okay. 201. Forced air heat. Yep. There's gas in here. 2052. High efficient gas forced air. Yep. 221. Compressor stage. Yeah. 1. 221. 1. Yes. 430. Minimum cool. Yeah, we'll leave it at 50. 431. High heat 90. Next. Okay, 1420. 0. Temperature display offset. No. Alright, should be done now. So now we're gonna go install it and kick it on and see what it does. Alrighty, we'll see who's gonna kick on. 105. It's probably just a thermostat, but we gotta go check the furnace to make sure nothing else is wrong with it. 106. Oh yeah.